Good day. Today, I will show you how you can combine all the forms your patient fills out in one PDF. First, go to your PX portal. And then, go to Configurations. Under the Forms configuration, you can now go ahead and turn on the Enable All in One Patient Forms PDF. After turning it on, PatientXpress will then ask you what folder you want to store your PDF files in your imaging folder. For this instance, I will be storing it under Patient Information. After selecting which folder, make sure to click on the Update button. You should have this notification once you've clicked on the Update button. After making those changes, I will now show you how it would look like on a test patient. I have attached 4 forms for this patient, and I should expect that those 4 forms will be combined into one PDF file on his patient information folder. Once the patient filled out the form, we can see on the imaging folder that the 4 forms that was filled out was combined in one form. And that is it. That is how you can enable one PDF for all the forms patients fill out. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.